dun, dun.
Welcome to a Mailtown with the Demon Army. And yeah, some people actually sent us some mail. And I'm going to keep my promise. I already showed blah 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 blah. That's actually your name. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. What the? Okay, I did not see that.
I'm Barbie.
Buddy, we got chipmunk for breakfast. There, eat it.
Nom 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 nom. No, that's picture me doing the thing. Okay.
Chipmunk.
Okay. Now let's get on to more important things, like who's gonna be holding it next? Will it be JP? And it's gonna be JP, yay! And he's picturing me shooting up the machine gun. Because now let's do them. Now let's do.
And here's another thing. We unblocked everything, so I was gonna have to find out which one is which. And well, at first I thought it was a mohawk that was attached to this alien, but no, it's just a piece of cotton. What the heck is it supposed to do? It's got big hands, a heck of a big head, big feet, and a small body and small nipples. And gigantic eyes.
Can I see the eyes?
Dun, dun, dun.
The eyes are the only thing on his face.
Yeah. Shoot, I can see your mouth.
What the hell?
Consider.
I'm alive! Because I'm an alien! La la la! And I have giant eyes and a giant head! A tiny body! With tiny nipples!
I need something harder. Now,
And a tiny...
chipmunk squirrel that my brother consumed. I don't know how. Did he put you out or something?
And I'm a big butt!
Awesome Pokemon battle! Go weird thing! Meet up with a wild alien! Oh no, we met a wild alien. Use hissy attack. Use killer. Oh! I win, bitch. We're going to do an awesome Pokemon video later, but that's not it. That is not it. And somebody, I don't know how they figured out, sent me a great big net cap. And did they like into our closet and see our size of hats or something? Because this fits perfectly.
Dun, dun, dun!
Everybody loves the Nationals. Unless you go St. Louis jerks.
Dun, dun, dun!
Oh yeah.
Dun, dun, dun,
We
dun,
had
dun,
two
dun, dun,
naked Barbie dolls that were sent to us, and they're weird.
Dun, dun, dun!
One big butt teddy bear.
Dun, dun, dun! Dad, you had that since you were 4.
Yeah, I know. This actually wasn't real. But, they actually... Did they, like, sneak in or something? There was a giant crack going in the back of the neck. And they brought me yarn. I'm scared. And certainly the least, but not last, Peppa Pig.
Nerf gun. He also got a Nerf gun that he's holding right now.
No, this was for my birthday.
Oh, yeah.
And a freaking little tykes flying. I mean, little tykes. I like my little
Little bit, no, I don't.
And to top it off, we got a laser that actually moves. No! Wait a minute. What did you just say, Pretty Bird? No!
Black out kid.
For my dick!
Bitch. Black out kid. Said black out. Black out. Black out. I don't care. Black out. Black out.
Silence for the dead, please. God. It's not funny. I'm dead.
Then how are you talking?
Shut up. Don't touch me. Definitely. I'm dead. I'm dead thanks to this damn thing.
Now, subscribe, kids, or I'm going to, I'm going to kill you in your sleep. And I would love a new addition to the Demon Army, even though I'm not the even owner. Now, goodbye. I gotta go kill some sorry suckers. Ah!
No, just make some of our. Make this.
Ah!
Just make this. Make
Bye-bye.
bird say, "I'll kill you."